As we get into summer proper and schools break up for the holidays, we have some exciting projects to keep you busy through the warmer weather. We start July with the latest video in our sensational sewing seminar series. In this part, expert textile artist Dion Swift talks to us about choosing the right needles for your sewing machine and how important this is for your finished project. Valerie Nesbitt brings us a useful tutorial on how to add an Oxford flap to your cushion cover to give them a really professional look and feel. Gaynor White, our crochet expert, is back with a brand new video talking about more complex crochet stitches that she uses to create a basket weave pattern and some simple cabling using a front post and back post method. Angela Damon is also with us in July, demonstrating some very simple but effective eco-dyeing techniques using natural products and no cooking or chemicals to create some very striking dyed fabrics. And our Tip Thursday for July features Jenny Haynes, showing us how to avoid stretching your fabric when sewing curves on your machine. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our workshops, led by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.